Hello and welcome to our channel. With this video, we will add yet another place to the collection of travel destinations in Central California. The best time of year to visit Calero County Park and Water Reservoir is January through February, when the grasses triggered by the earlier winter rains start to emerge from the ground and cover the hills with a green blanket. The scenery can be quite picturesque, especially if you add old oak trees. However, the main reason why we visited this park was the birds, specifically western and Clark's grebes, which have a curious courtship habit. At one point, a pair of birds rises and quickly runs on the water in parallel to each other. They hold their bodies in vertical position, loudly clapping their feet on the water's surface. I guess such a dance helps with some kind of coordination and synchronization, perhaps a test of physical strength of the potential partner. Many local wildlife photographers and birdwatchers know about this phenomenon, and you most likely find yourself in the company of fellow nature geeks, especially near sunset when the light beams are almost horizontal, colors warm and vivid. You would need to have plenty of patience to observe this spectacle. For the hour and a half we spent watching a group of grebes, we only saw it happen a dozen times. But the frequency may depend on the time of day and how far in the breeding season you happen to visit the place. Just remember that the grebes like to congregate in small, quiet lagoons for socializing. They can be quite vocal as well. Interestingly, western grebes' calls consist of two syllables, cree-cree, while Clark's grebes use only one cree sound. They interbreed, by the way, and you may notice birds of two different species dancing together. The other difference is the amount of black on their faces. Western grebes have more black on the front, including the eye areas, while Clark's grebes have black only on the top of their heads. During the spring months, you may be able to see baby grebes riding on the backs of their parents. Parking at the northern entrance is free, and you can get access to a net of trails that will bring you along the slopes of the hills. An easy and pleasant hike is a guarantee if the weather is not too hot. If you want to do water-related activities like kayaking, fishing, or watching waterfowl, you may need to park at the boat launch area and pay a parking fee. A word of caution, however, the area is known for mercury mining, and some of this toxic chemical gets into the reservoir, water plants, and fish. So, eating fish from Calero Reservoir is not recommended. We found a few large shells while walking on the shore. The clam looks like it could be a corbicula species, an Asian clam. The snail probably belongs to a North American pebble snail genus, Fluminicola, but it could be a smaller genus, Pyrgulopsis. Freshwater snails are not easy to identify correctly. You need a trained eye to do so. Thanks for watching the birds with us. Best wishes and see you next time.